Guys, Eddie from Harlem Bling. It's the time of year where a lot of you guys are shopping for gifts, whether it's jewelry, whether you're trying to buy a TV or something for your family, your friends, or even if you're trying to treat yourself. How could you be a smart shopper, especially during all of this Black Friday, Cyber Monday craziness? And I'm going to tell you about this from an inside perspective, because at Harlem Bling, I deal with a lot of CEOs. My main business is wholesale. So I wholesale to department stores, to big online brands that resell our jewelry. So I really know the inside scoop to this. But first, before I tell you the secrets, hit the subscribe button, show the channel some support. How it works in a nutshell: you go to Walmart on Black Friday, you see that 60-inch TV for 50-60% off. You go on Amazon, you get these deals, 70% off. It's a scam. And this is why. Prices are going up leading into the third quarter. So these companies, whether they're Samsung, whether it's jewelry stores, they slowly pick up the prices. So come November, December, they can offer you a 50% off coupon. Forget the percentage. Look at what you're getting, the price, and the quality of the item. You see the 60-inch Hisense TV for $600. Is that a good deal for a Hisense TV? The fuck is Hisense? You see Shop GLD doing 50% off their brass jewelry with rhinestones. Is that a good deal? 50% off. When you can buy the same cross at Harlem Bling in Moissanite with sterling silver, which is a precious metal, for the same price. Forget that 50% off, 60% off. Buy jewelry that's great jewelry if you're shopping for jewelry. If you're shopping for TVs, do your research. On Amazon, you can see the price trends. You'll see that TV was $400 all along. They jacked up the price to $800 and dropped it to $500. At Harlem Bling, we offer the best prices throughout the year. This 2mm rope chain you can get for $20-30. Moissanite ring passes the diamond tester, $150. This is probably one of my most popular items. 8mm prong Cuban. This is an 8mm prong Cuban chain, Moissanite. The lighting is not the best, but trust me, it hits. There's a lot of reviews on YouTube about it. Just fell on the floor. For about $140. You will not find it anywhere else for even close to that price. So be smart with your money. Forget the marketing gimmicks. Forget the 50% off. Forget the 60% off. At Harlem Bling, even though it's been hard for me with inflation, I have not raised my prices for almost 2 years. My philosophy is that I'm growing my business. I'm making less on each item, but I'm pushing it out way more. I'm pushing it out to department stores. I'm giving you guys wholesale prices. So my profit remains the same. I'm making less on each item, but I'm making more because I'm selling thousands of pieces. According to SimilarWeb.com, we're actually in the top 200 jewelers in the world. So a company like me could offer you guys better quality and better prices than some little jeweler that's starting out, that's pushing out 2-3 pieces. They have to have a huge markup. Shop smart. I wish all of you guys a happy Thanksgiving. If I don't see you, be smart with Black Friday. Don't get trampled in Walmart for that Hisense TV for $600. You could probably get it on Amazon today for the same price.